Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening OneNote and signing in. This connects your notebooks across devices. Create a new notebook and immediately add a section and page so you have structure. Once done, name the notebook clearly, for example work or personal, to avoid confusion later. Make sure to enable sync and grant storage permissions so OneNote can save changes automatically. These initial steps let you capture and retrieve notes instantly, which is why organizing from the first page matters. Next, focus on capturing and structuring content. Type notes, use the pen tool to ink diagrams, drop in images, or record audio. Apply styles and tags to highlight action items and important facts. Tags make follow-up easier. Once you have multiple pages, drag them between sections or create subpages to reflect hierarchy. Use the search box to retrieve keywords or tagged items quickly. By formatting as you go, you reduce future cleanup and make review sessions far more efficient. Finally, share your notebook when collaboration is needed. Invite people with view or edit rights and send links for quick access. Export important pages to PDF or copy sections into other apps for reports. Make sure sync completes before you close the app to avoid conflicts. If you encounter sync errors, sign out and sign back in, confirm network access, and verify your OneDrive storage quota. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the app and retry syncing to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.